there's just this aura about her that's just amazing.
So there's no preservatives, no sugar whatsoever, and it's off the chain.
I've been following Melissa on Instagram for a while, and I've seen all these recipes, but seeing it in person and then trying it, we definitely will make these things.
I just love sharing these stories because it's a testimony to how powerful food is. Food heals us. It can help us or it can hurt us. We have a choice. We're doing tons of cooking classes and everybody's sampling and it's amazing. These are my beautiful guests. Hello, my name is Melissa Hanson. I live in Orange County, California, and today we are having a Heal from Within seminar with beautiful people from all over the country joining us. We're going to start today with a beach workout and then make superfood smoothies, omelets, making so many good, simple recipes with clean ingredients, and everyone in attendance is going to get involved. It's going to be incredible. My purpose in putting these together is to show people that it doesn't matter where you're at in your health journey. This is doable. We can all grow. We can grow physically, emotionally, mentally, and to be the best version of ourselves. It's just a lot easier than people think, and that's what I'm here to share, how simple this lifestyle really is.
Yeah. Back again.
Back to the cheesy stuff?
Yeah.
My name's Andrew Foster. It's been mind-blowing, amazing so far. Melissa's been showing us how quick and easy it is to eat healthy. I really we had like a tofu scramble. I'm a big egg guy, so replacing eggs is a big thing for me. So tasting that tofu scramble this morning, it tasted just like eggs. So I was like, oh man, I could do this, you know?
What are you making? Pancakes. My favorite.
The recipes that she's been using so far are so simple and so easy and so delicious. And just the support that you get here, it's a very non-judgmental feel here, emotionally safe, if you will. And I know that I will have new family, new friends when I leave here, and that I can lean on and support.
Well, my name is Kylie and I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I found out that I was allergic to gluten and dairy, and I also don't eat meat, so I decided that the plant-based lifestyle was what was best for me and my health. So at first I was, devastated, thinking there was nothing I could eat, but after coming here and learning these simple recipes and just how easy it is and that you can get everything you need from plants themselves, that was something that was so helpful and that I'm going to take home to not only, heal myself, but my family as well.
There's truly no better investment than in your health. We have one body, we have to take care of it. People say to my husband, organic's expensive. And he's like, cancer's expensive. Yeah. Thank you very much. And it's true. Type 2 diabetes is expensive. Yeah. Going to the doctors and taking time off from work is expensive. Come on, where are our priorities? Just prevention is everything.
So my name is Nicole Bruni. I'm a certified thermography technician. I was one of Melissa's guest speakers today, just talking about the importance of prevention and to find out what's going on in our bodies before it becomes a problem. So that's what's great about thermography. It is a diagnostic tool that checks the physiology of the body rather than the anatomy. So it's able to detect tumors and things of that nature 8 to 10 years prior to anatomical test. Like I said, getting to the root cause of the issue rather than just treating the problem is so important, and that way you can treat it before it becomes a state of emergency.
People go trying to fix something and they go up here, and that's the worst place to go.
Another one of our guest speakers is a quantum energetics practitioner, and he's going to show us about the importance of having a healthy outlook mentally and emotionally, and how that truly plays a huge role in our physical well-being.
What's one thing that sticks out amongst everything?
Working with Tim and learning about that emotional healing and letting go of what you didn't even realize was affecting you from so far ago, and how to heal so much just from the emotions.
I think everything, it's a combination, it's a whole thing. It's like a lifestyle. You cannot say it's only the food, you cannot say it's only the exercise, only the emotion. We're, as human beings, a whole. And when you treat all those different areas of your life, it becomes that one thing altogether. So I really love the whole from the beginning to the end. And like I told you, know that we come like a family. That makes you feel more loved. I just feel at peace and more comfortable and really look forward to succeeding my goals.
What are you most excited about? The pesto?
Yes. The healthiest pasta you'll ever have.
And my son he's 12 and he was recently diagnosed with celiac disease. So I am here to get my family and myself healthier. Taking time to go on a short walk at the beach and doing some stretches, how simple is that? And yet we don't do it enough for ourselves. So all these little things I want to take back and have them be part of my routine. I have to take time for myself to be a better mama. It's a good cry. Here's to as healthy as we can be in this life, right? Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing this experience with us at our Heal From Within Summit. We had such an incredible time growing together, healing together, and learning how to make this incredible food. We cannot wait to see you at our next event.